Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix an inseam pocket, side pocket like this. It is attached to the side seam of the dress. If this is what you would like to see, please stay to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and for every returning subscriber, thank you so much. The actual video on how to cut and sew the main dress, I'll be dropping the link in the description box. So I've cut the piece that I'll be using for the pocket. I made it to be 8 inches wide, and then the length is 10 inches. The 8 inches is the part that I'll be fixing directly on the dress, and then the length 10 inches depending on how deep you want it to be. So this is the dress that I'll be fixing the pocket on. Like I said, I'll be dropping the link of the video on how to cut and sew it in the description box for those that may not know how to sew a simple gown. Okay, so now I came down from the waist by 1.5, and then I'll be fixing the pocket 1 inch away from that opening. The opening that I left is 6 inches, and I made the piece to be like 8.5 so that it will cover the sides of the opening. Okay, so I'll just open it up. I'll open the lining, does not have an opening, right, so that it will cover it up. So you're going to be fixing directly on the fabric. Now if your dress does not have lining, you still use the same method to fix the pocket to it. So you measure 1 inch away from the opening, and then you place the fabric on it, right, like this. Now you make sure that the front side is facing down. So what you have up here is the back and the wrong side of the fabric. So the front side is facing the seam edges, and then you can make them to be equal so that when you want to weave, you can weave them together. All right, so I'm going to place the second piece right now, and then turn the fabric over like that. Then you've placed the front side facing the seam line also, and then you sew it close to the edge of the fabric. All right, you can come down when you are saying like 0.75, but you can make the piece to be the same to align with the edges of your seam allowance. Okay, so the next is just to sew the sides of the pocket together. So you're going to place it like that, and you run down a stitch to cover up every opening on the pocket. So you can see that to fix this is very easy. It's very easy, and when you use this method, because some people, when they finish fixing the pocket, you see it bulging out or looking funny. So to achieve a perfect fit like this, just come down from the waist by like 1 inch, and then or 1.5, then you go up from the hip by like 1.5 also. But you must make sure that you have an opening of 6 inches for your pocket. So you may not have 1.5, and I may have 1, but the pocket should be in between the waist and the hip, all right, so that it doesn't look funny. If you have found this video helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and to watch the full video on how I make this dress, you can check the description box. You're going to be seeing the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, and if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I have amazing content on my channel. I have a lot of videos on corsets, cup corsets, Victorian corsets. You can check them out also. Thank you for watching. God bless you.